Hi all, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an IoT hub, then how to add an IoT device, and lastly, I will show you how to test the device using a Raspberry Pi simulator. So let's start it. So to do that, first we have to um, create IoT hub. So we are trying to find IoT hub in search bar, and we're going to create. So we have to choose our active path, then we have to choose our resource group and the region, Southeast Asia, because it is the nearest region from my location, and the IoT hub name I can use my hub group X1. It's available. Now we are going to the next. This is the network section. We can keep it as it right now. Then in the management section, we don't have to create anything, but we can check which tire actually it has. So it is the standard 1 tire, so we can set the standard 1 tire, and then we can go to the tag section. If there is any tag, you can put and create. So validation is passed. Now we are going to create our IoT hub. So our deployment is in progress. It may take some few minutes to complete the deployment, so we have to wait. Deployment is running actually. We are waiting for the final deployment. Yeah, so right now our IoT hub is created. So right now we are going to go to the resource section. I can show you. It's in from the home section as well. So this is the our IoT hub. Then we are now in Explorer section. From here we have to choose IoT device. Right now we are creating IoT device. Let's see. Now I'm creating a new IoT device. So I have to provide a device name. It should be my device. Okay, my device ID. Then to create, our device is created. You can check. So our device is created, and as you have seen, these are the primary key we actually put in the simulator to test our device. So currently we are copying the primary connection string. So we have already copied it. Now in next phase we are going to test it. So we will going to open a new tab. We are going to test it in Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we are writing the address ak.ms/raspi. Okay, the simulator Raspberry Pi web simulator. So it's actually here. Now what we will do, we will have to paste our primary key to here. So in this purpose we have to make a change in our code, and as you have seen in line number 15 for name, this one already, and the device ID. Okay. So we have to put it here. Constant current connecting string, constant connecting string. So we have to replace it with our string copied from the check from where it is actually starting and ending. Okay. So we have to choose this line, this one, till the end. Choose this line. We have to paste our primary key that we actually corrected. Now what we will do, we will have to click on the run button. Okay, we have copied it from here, and right now we are going to paste. As you have seen, yeah, it's working and the light is blinking. So that means we are able to connecting our IoT device with our IoT hub. Now we can click on the stop button. That means the data transmission is now stopped. So we can get back to our IoT hub group, and in the overview section, IoT hub usage. So we are right now in the overview section. IoT hub usage. So you have seen one device were connected, daily message port and messages today 3. We tried 3 times in a day, or if you choose 1 hour, it will show nothing. But this day we have transmitted 3 messages, and connected device was 1. Okay. So in this way, actually, we can ensure that our devices are connected. So thanks for watching this.